Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here, and I wanted to answer a question, which is, are everyday people getting results with this program called $25 One Up, which is an instant pay program, no monthly fees, and it allows you to earn life-changing commissions that start at, for our team, our tribe, when you want to position yourself with Boss Empire Tribe, you start at platinum. It's 125 one time. Plus a $10 admin fee, and it goes all the way up to 250 commissions and $500 commissions. All right. Now that said, this program is amazing, and people ask, are people getting results? So let's scroll down. We did a roll call the other day in our group just to ask, how much have you earned with $25 One Up? Okay, so I'm just going to kind of take you inside the group and kind of show you what people said. All right, so Adriana says she made over $5,000 in 30 days. Felicia, who's on in my tribe, said $850. Vinny made 8,000. I myself made 7,000, and this week I'll be crushing 9K. Ashandra, who's in my tribe, she made 750. Carlin, she didn't even post hers yet. I believe she's made almost, I want to say 750 or 850. Trey made 300. Nettie, who's in my tribe, made 450 in 2 weeks. Alex, 25. Lock and Lock made 125, and her list is growing. Israel Jason, he made 150. Leah made 75. Carlin, oh, she did post her. She made 550, but she's made a commission since then. So yeah, she is up to about almost 750, somewhere around there. Deborah, who's in my tribe, she made 25. Liza, who's in my tribe, made 175. So, people are having results with this, and it's just, oh wait, somebody said something else. She said 150, and this is the first company that I have joined that I earned money after a month of joining. So that's amazing. These are people who are everyday people who are getting results with this program. And you can hear the excitement in my voice because I truly am passionate about this program. And I believe that the reason why people are having results with this program is, one, I believe that this program, for the majority of people who are out there promoting, including myself, this program, we've told people that they need to build this as a business. This is an expectation that has been set in the back office of $25 One Up. We've also given training to people so they have the know-how of how to build a digital business. Okay, and the commission structure is such that you can earn life-changing commissions. We're talking about waking up daily to $125, $250, $500, depending on where you position yourself, which is why I tell people, position yourself where you want to earn. All right. So I am at enterprise. So that positions me to have $500 days. And I've had plenty of $500 days, just by following, the training and applying some few simple steps with consistency. So that's what I think that's, the secret sauce for this program is that, people got tired of being in the internet space and jumping from opportunity to opportunity to opportunity, not having anything that gave them leverage, right? Not having, in this program, when you help your people, see, there's an incentive to help your people with this program. When you help your people, they keep their first sale, their second sale gets passed up to you, right? So would you not help your people, right? Would they not help their people, right? So that's, part of duplication, but also built into the program is leverage and an incentive to help your people. Second thing why I believe that this program is positioning everyday people to win is because it's an instant pay program. Meaning that when you make a commission, you're paid instantly. You don't have to wait to Thursday. You don't have to wait to Friday. Every day is payday. Okay. And that said, you can use those instant commissions and leverage up in other programs. You can offset auto ships in your primary businesses. You can invest, you can save, you can pay off debt. You can do whatever you want with those instant commissions. All right. And again, the commission structure with this program has allowed people to realize that you don't have to settle for a $10 commission or $18 commission or $25 commission. You can make $125 commissions, $250 commissions, $500 commissions, depending on where you position yourself to earn, and then learn some simple strategies which are in your back office, apply them, okay? and start bringing in those commissions. So I love this program. If you want to learn more about it, what I want you to do is just simply check out the comment section below. And know that in our tribe, when you position yourselves at platinum or higher, I am with Boss Empire Tribe, I'm the leader of the tribe, you're going to get access to things that are going to help you learn true marketing so that you could apply it to not only this business, right, but you can grow several other businesses using the same strategies. Okay, so when you position yourself at platinum, 125 one time, there's a $10 admin fee. You are in business. You never have to come out of pocket, no monthly fees, anything ever again, and you can start building a business. All right. The next level up is diamond, is $250 one time, $25 admin fee, and then the next level up is enterprise, where I'm positioned. You can that positions you to earn $500 commissions. There's a $50 admin fee, and the good thing is whatever level you come in at, you are positioned to earn at that level and all the levels underneath. And you also get access to all the digital training products that are underneath as well. Okay, now when people position themselves at platinum or higher with my tribe, them and everybody they bring into this program, they're going to get access to my tribe, my membership area. I'll actually show you what that is. This is the membership area, and it's a free traffic academy. You know, I give them a blueprint where I reverse engineer the steps of how I've been able to make over $7,000+ with this program so that they can do the same exact steps. There's no secret sauce. You know, I want my people to be able to do what I'm doing. Okay, so they get the blueprint. They get free traffic strategies. I show them how to get massive free traffic from several sources, primarily Facebook, but there are some other methods out there, and I provide that to them. And this is like not stuff that is like wished up. These are actually strategies that I actually do. So everything that I teach my tribe, I'm doing. All right, and the people who are applying, they're duplicating and they're winning. Okay, so you'll get access to it if you come in at the VIP levels, which are diamond and enterprise, 250 and 500. You will get access to a separate membership area where you'll be exposed to a formula for video marketing that will allow you to bring in leads, you know, while you're asleep. I gotta sell in my sleep. How did I do that? Video marketing. While I was asleep, somebody was watching one of my videos, position themselves, and when I woke up there was a commission sitting there. But you have to have the know-how of how to do that, and I teach that for people that position themselves at diamond and enterprise. All right, so that's it. Check out the comment section below, like, comment, subscribe, and get into this program. It's amazing. You know, I just tell everybody, I'm like, it doesn't matter like what you promote, instant pay needs to be in your toolbox. Because you got to be able to offset those costs, and this is smart business, and this is life-changing commissions. So I'm excited to help people win with this program. I'll see you on the other side. Bye, guys.